everyone, my name is Herta Nava and I would like to welcome you to my course Installing and Configuring macOS. I am an independent consultant working on a variety of exciting projects such as software localization, cloud computing, and online marketing. I am also an Apple certified support professional and a very committed author at Pluralsight. Mac support is a widely searched skill in the enterprise today. More and more companies are now supporting Mac, and therefore it is an important skill that you should seek to develop, especially if you work as help desk support, service technician, or technical coordinator. If you want to become an advanced Mac user, this course is definitely for you. On the other hand, this course is the first in a series that can help you prepare for the section related to installing and configuring macOS of the Apple Certified Support Professional Certification Examination. Some major topics that we will cover include an overview of macOS, including its features, latest improvements, and more, installing macOS, including all the steps you need to take into account, the OS recovery system, and the utilities it has to offer, and how to configure your Mac to personalize it the way it better works for you. By the end of this course, you will have a better idea of what sets macOS apart from other leading operating systems. You will be familiarized with the newest features, you will know how to upgrade a Mac to the latest release of macOS, as well as how to perform a clean installation. You will also know how to use the OS recovery to perform reinstallations and recover your system, and you will know how to configure the newly installed or upgraded Mac. For this course, it would be ideal to have basic skills on macOS and to be familiar with the macOS environment. You should also have access to the internet for downloading and installation. I'm glad to have you on this course at Pluralsight, so let's start this journey together to learn all about installing and configuring macOS.